Unlike the traditional fossil fuel that has been attributed of scarcity in the Gaza Strip, the need for clean as well environmentally friendly renewable energy in the paralyzed Gaza Strip has become literally urgent. Addressing this need, the Faculty of Architectural Engineering has held a workshop on the importance of raising awareness about the advantages of designing energy efficient buildings in the Gaza Strip through the activation of the media role.
We have been trying very hard actually to design and build an eco house, which is a model of buildings that designed and will be constructed actually to be as an example of energy efficient buildings in the Gaza Strip.
The participants stressed on taking a step forward towards adopting the energy sustainability as a priority in the media sector, which can promote for energy conservation philosophy and energy efficiency. Most importantly, they call for the Ministry of Higher Education to integrate the energy efficient buildings topic in the studying plan in schools and universities.
The recommendation in this workshop comes to tell the people how to be educated on the purposes of efficient buildings in the Gaza Strip, not only for the shortage of the sources and sustainable sources of electricity and so on, but in order to have it as an education, not only for the workers in the field, but also for the students at schools, because we should have this as a culture for the whole community in order to overcome all these problems in the Gaza Strip.
This workshop comes as part of a peer project for promotion of energy-efficient buildings towards developing sustainable built environment in the Gaza Strip, Palestine. The peer project has resulted in constructing 60 meters energy-efficient prototype in IUG to be the first building in Gaza utilized for research, educational and promoting purposes.
Das Projekt heißt Wärmedämmung in Bauhäusern. Conservation in English of Eco House. Ich bedanke mich sehr für Appeal, dass Sie oder diese Gesellschaft uns die Gelegenheit hat, über diese Angelegenheit Wärmedämmung in Bebauung in Gazastreifen zu besprechen und teilzunehmen. Wirklich, das ist ein gutes Thema, ein sehr wichtiges Thema für die gazanische Bevölkerung, dass wir wirklich leiden unter Defizit in Energie, Darstellung und wir brauchen wirklich Energie und wir brauchen wirklich Elektrizität.